waking up like this. Oh my god. Bro, actually I think I will never drive on toll streets again here, because this is messed up. Yeah, I think this is a perfect situation right now to show you my stomach tattoo. Okay, now this is the spot. Holy fuck. What's up? Hey homie. Oh man, I sound like a fucking hippie. But man, I love it actually. I love it so much too. What's up guys? This is the second part of my van trip vlog, and yeah, it was very cold in my van this night. I was fucking freezing. It was so fucking cold. And then I woke up and had this beautiful view right here. This is actually amazing. I found this spot on Stay Free. It's a app for the van community. They share like places where you can sleep, and yeah, I can highly recommend this app for everyone. It's very good, but as you can see, everything is fucking freezing here. My car also. But it's better now. My GoPro died multiple times because the battery can't handle that much coldness, I guess. I don't know. And yeah, but waking up like this, oh my god. I think I will drive more into the south now because I'm already sick and I want it a bit warmer. So yeah, I will look on Google Maps where I can see myself later. I don't know yet, but for now I will enjoy this view and walk a bit around here and have a great morning. Okay, I'm driving right now to the next supermarket, and I had to stop to show you guys the view because this is amazing actually. I'm at the top of a mountain right now, and it's just amazing to see all these things. For everyone who's interested, I'm in that area. I hope you can see. It's like the whole area is called Parque Natural da Serras de R.E. Candeiros. That was 100% the right pronunciation. And this is the spot I'm at, Wald de Ventos. I don't know how to call it. And I will go out with you guys and show you what we can see right here. Wait. And for downhill skateboarding, the streets here are perfect. All the time I'm driving on these streets here, I'm like, bro, I need to fucking skate again. But without a spotter or someone who is with me right now, I wouldn't do it. So I had a downhill skateboarding break for like, I think like a year now. I don't know. I don't really remember the last time. I really miss it so hard. Just imagine driving these streets. That's a fucking vibe. Okay, but I will continue driving now to the supermarket, and we see us in the next scene. Bye. So I just arrived here in Portimão, and yeah, the driving here was pretty cool, totally chill, empty streets. So at first I was not sure because I know it's expensive, but I was like, okay, I will take the toll streets, like where you pay the tolls. And yeah, pretty liked the driving here. The pavement was also like not all the time, but mostly very good. I drove like 350 kilometers, I think. But then I had to pay the toll, and I have to be honest with you guys, I'm actually pissed. Like I'm very pissed right now, like really pissed, because I paid fucking 47 euros and 20 cents. Is this even fucking real? Like, for the amount they earn here, and me too, because I'm working here too, so I earn like half the amount I've earned in Germany, and then you gotta pay 47 euros to just drive on some fucking streets. Bro, actually I think I will never drive on toll streets again here, because this is messed up. I mean, the time difference was high. I think 3 hours and 18 minutes with the toll streets. Without was like 4 hours and 52 minutes, I think. Here are so many exits that I missed one again and I had to drive like, I don't know, like 15 minutes more just to get on the right street, and had to pay tolls also, only €1.58. But man, come on, this is fucking bullshit. Like, what the fuck? Like, who can afford this? Like, living here and earning like the normal amount people earn, nobody can afford that bullshit. Like, this is... But okay, I will chill for now, forget that bullshit. I'm broke now because the van trip already was too much for me for this month, because I set up my next tattoo session for my stomach. And yeah, I think this is a perfect situation right now to show you my stomach tattoo. Only people who follow me on Instagram have seen this, so if you don't follow me, be sure to follow me on Instagram also. And yeah, what can I say? I think it's time to get naked and show you this fucking awesome piece. So this is a piece now. She did an amazing job actually. I love it so far. I really love it. And next session there will come like the shadings in it, maybe 2 other horns, we don't know yet, and maybe some stuff around. Yeah, be sure to also follow her on Instagram. I will link her account. She's a really good artist. I love everything she does. She has a dark work style, like super evil, aggressive, and she also do letterings, and yeah, you already know I love letterings also. So the time I'm here in Lisbon, I think I will only go to her, because I really love her style. And also a really nice person, super friendly, very nice. So if you're in Lisbon or a bit outside of Lisbon, because actually the tattoo studio is a bit out of Lisbon, just a little bit, and you like that style too, be sure to check her stuff out and maybe book one session for you too. I don't know. She really deserves it. And yeah, let's get back into the video, because I think now is the perfect time to shower here because it's so empty. And then I will go check out what is over there. I think the beach is pretty close here. And yeah, then I will start cooking a bit, and maybe in the evening I will go with a friend, because he's here also at the weekend, and we will go on like a beach rave. I don't know yet. I hope so, because I really want to do something like this. And so be stoked. If I will be there, I will make some videos for sure. And yeah, we will see us later. I think I found the right spot over there to start cooking. So I'm only in swim shorts to get a bit tan, you know, because I'm white as fuck. Actually, I think that's perfect over there. I hope so. Do I have to add something? I don't think so. I think I will go over there, because here's already someone. And this motherfucking guy right here is a loner who needs his fucking space. So, oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Man, what the fuck? And I'm living here. Fuck that, man. I really need to move out of Lisbon. Really. Okay, now this is a spot. Holy fuck. This is a fucking spot to cook my meat. Bro, what's up, bro? What's up? Hey, homie. Yo, when bro knows the spot. Crazy as fuck, boy. Bro, I think I chill over there because the sun is over there and the wind also comes from there. That's perfect. Or here, I don't know, here or here. Huh? Oh man, I think I will go over there to see more. Oh fuck yes. Okay, here's the spot, guys. Here's the spot. Okay, I'm gonna make it quick this time. So, as you know, I'm already broke as fuck, so I wanted to buy a pool, but it was like 11 or 12 euros, so I decided to go with this because it's so fucking cheap. It's out of Camarão. I think it's like shrimps, I don't know. I will chop that in little pieces, and here the tabbouleh, it's like cream fresh or fresh, I don't know, like fresh cheese. Of course in light because I'm fucking fat. And yeah, put all together in this motherfucker, add some olive oil, spread some lime over it, and yeah, that's it. So I will make it quick and I will tell you the result, and maybe I will do another episode with the pulpo when I like it. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is how it looks now. It's definitely done. Okay, now I will take the first bite and tell my reaction. Okay. Okay, it's not that warm. I think I can let it sit a bit more. Oh, that's very good. That's very good. Oh my god. Very, very good. I think I will add the other half of lime. I tasted it before just with the fresh cheese and the shrimps, and it was fucking amazing. Like, for real, amazing. But when I added now the tabbouleh, the taste of the tabbouleh is more shown. You can taste the tabbouleh more than the shrimps and the fresh cheese. So I will definitely do another episode with rice, tomatoes, maybe a few onions, I don't know, and the pulpo. So be stoked about it. I think this will be amazing actually. This will be amazing. So for now, I will eat this and enjoy the view until the sun is still up. And yeah, maybe we will see us at the rave, maybe not, I don't know yet. But for now, I will just enjoy the situation and be with myself and the nature. Oh man, I sound like a fucking hippie. But man, I love it actually. I love it so much to enjoy the moments and be alone with all the silence. Yeah, I'm thinking so much when I'm in situations like these, actually, about my life and everything. So, okay, that's enough. And no, I'm not crying. it's because it's so windy. Yeah, I will enjoy the moment now, and we will see us later, maybe. Bye.